Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your Gmail is set to sync contacts so the phone can pull restored entries. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, choose your Gmail, and toggle Contacts on. This allows iCloud and Gmail to merge. Once done, open a browser and sign into Gmail on desktop to check contacts trash if deletion occurred within 30 days. This is where Google keeps recoverable contacts. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and your device stays unlocked during the next steps. Now perform the actual restore inside Google Contacts on a desktop because the Undo tool isn't in the iPhone app. Click More or the Settings gear, select Undo Changes, and pick a time window that predates the deletion. This recreates records in your Google account. Once you confirm, Google immediately restores contacts on their servers. Then wait. The iPhone will fetch those changes automatically because Contact Sync is enabled. If you have many contacts, expect a short delay while everything propagates. Finish by forcing a sync and verifying on the iPhone. Open Contacts and pull down to refresh, then look through groups to confirm the Gmail account is selected as default if needed. If contacts don't appear, go to Settings Mail Accounts, toggle Contacts off, wait a few seconds, then toggle back on to force a full resync. If issues persist, ensure the restore completed in Google Contacts and that you're signed into the same Gmail on the phone. That single check resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.